Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream using milk powder, easy method. Whisk 1 cup milk powder into 3 cups cold water until fully dissolved, then add 3/4 cup sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla and mix well. Chill the base for at least 1 hour before churning, or freeze and stir every 30 minutes for soft, scoopable texture. Taste and adjust sweetness before the final freeze. Choose high-quality ingredients for the best result: full-fat milk powder, clean cold water, and superfine sugar or syrup. Measure precisely and dissolve the powder completely to avoid lumps. Flavor lightly with vanilla or cocoa, and consider a tablespoon of alcohol or 1 teaspoon corn syrup for softer texture. Always chill the mixture well before freezing to improve crystal formation, and freeze smart to get smooth ice cream. Use a shallow container and stir the mixture every 20 to 30 minutes during the initial freezing period. If you have an ice cream maker, churn until thickened and then harden in the freezer. For richer results, fold in whipped cream or a few tablespoons of condensed milk before the final freeze. Store covered to prevent ice buildup and bring to room temperature a few minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.